Okay, I'm back. Hope it don't nothing happen to it. So I'm on my way to the shop where I brought the car from, down the street, to see what's going on with it. And my radio don't work. I can't get no music, so we was talking about I was thinking about getting a truck, going back to my truck, because these cars, it's always something going wrong with them because they need to fix these roads because it's so bumpy. I'm surprised it's not shaking. Maybe it is, but I don't see it. And I brought another window device, so because the other one was. And plus, when I went to Florida, I ran over a kid's toy. Didn't know what it was because I didn't see it because I was so busy laughing and giggling with my granddaughter, and I ran over it. So now I got something rattling up under my truck, up under my car. I'm so used to saying truck, but it's my car. So yeah, I hope he can fix it because I don't have that much cash on me. I think I left I got my hand sanitizer. I keeps it in my purse. And I got this size. I can refill it anytime I want. And I also have a Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. Man, I miss going to work. Y'all know I'm a workaholic, okay? Yes, I am. I'm a workaholic. I like getting them papers, baby. I ain't feel like doing nothing to my head, throwing no wig on, because it's not going to be too long. I ain't got no money. I ain't going nowhere. I got to spend my money on the car today. Uh-oh. So we're going down this road. Gotta see what's going on with my car. Boom. Bump, y'all. Bump. So I was gonna try and use the little camera. But for some reason it says SD card is full, and I don't know how it's full, but we finna find out when I get back home. I told y'all this road is bumpy, so we finna find out what's going on. What's going on with my truck, baby? I need to turn this air on. No matter what, I need some air, okay? So how's everybody been doing today? Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for your wonderful comments. You know, you guys been commenting on the videos, not been commenting on the videos. I only got 2 comments on the last video, but that's okay. Oh, and I'm gonna have him take a look at this too. Maybe he could put a piece there or something. I don't know. Man, it feels strange driving this car. I miss my truck. Man, I miss my truck. Indiana don't pay no money, y'all. So y'all know I ain't making that much. Not like I was when I was up north. But doctor's orders, I had to quit this job, y'all. I gave them my notice. Because I couldn't do it. So I just, you know, stuck with the second job. Let the first job go and stuck with the second job. which is out here in Indiana. I was doing this like on my days off. So now I'm full time. But I couldn't get to work because the car wouldn't start, and I had to wait for Mister to give me the money to, find out what's going on with the car. So I need to start back blogging, y'all. I need to get into my stores. I need to hang back out, but my friends live way up north, and I don't have any friends out here. I choose not to have any, because mostly, we back up in the woods, and I don't have any friends out here. So that's how I like it. Being at peace. Peace, 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 peace. I like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that. Open up the door, let the boom. B. I like TikTok, y'all. I feel TikTok like it's a drug or something. I can't get off of it once I get on. I mean, I did a couple of videos. I was bored them days that I did the video. So when I get bored, I get on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. But I said I was going to let my Facebook page go. I don't too much care for Facebook. It's too much drama. TikTok. What's that other one I be on? I'm on that like 24/7. I got so many followers. I don't know why I can't think of the name of it. Oh my goodness. Y'all, come on. Y'all gotta let me over now. I can't keep riding behind this truck like this. Because he throwing back rocks. And then he driving in 2 lanes. This car ride's funny, y'all. It's starting to get loud. Y'all excuse it. Hey, it's a bumpy road I'm going down. It's a bumpy road. I gotta get this down. I've been trying. I'm gonna get me one of those masks. They got those masks for your neck, and you wrap it around your ear and put it over like this, wrap it around like this. So I got so many of these doggone masks. I don't too much care for this no more. I want one without it. I got a couple of those too. I gotta find it because I've been packing. Oh shoot. I got my seat so I won't lose it. So I got my hair in braids. I braid my hair so I can throw my wigs on, because since I'm working with my clients now, I got set clients, so I know if they have the air on or not. I won't have to be burning up. And I didn't do my nails yet, so I'm thinking about doing them today. I should have did them yesterday, but I didn't. So I'm gonna do my nails and show y'all. I did mix some more powder acrylic with some glitter. Girls gotta have that glitter, honey. But I'm waiting on some more glitter to come in. I did get all my stuff from AliExpress, but I got 3 more items that's missing. So after that, I can do a little haul and show y'all everything I got. Oh, I run this light. I didn't even know it. I did it on purpose. I'm just so glad to be out here. Hi, y'all. How you doing? I was right there. Man, whew, I am back for real. My car is dirty. It's been sitting up for 3 days. It's been sitting up for 3 days. Oh my God, really? Something wrong with your motorcycle? Oh man, riding on slow, like something wrong with him. I gotta turn down Broadway. Yeah, guys. Why am I hearing stuff like popping? Was that him? Sounded like it was coming from my car. It's on this side. Oh, so we're going to see what's going on with the bluebird. What's going on with your bluebird? So I can get back on the road again, baby. See my clients. They calling me. You come back to work. Oh, I'm trying. I gotta wait till Mr. give me money. He's out shopping. Can't do nothing till he get back. And I was asleep when he left yesterday, so finally got the money. I'm gonna see what's wrong. You heard me? I don't want to get on the expressway. I'm going to take the streets. Go see what's wrong with my baby. My baby. Oh, I'm so glad I ain't got to drive 2 and 3 hours to work. I drive 30 minutes. To 37 minutes. And well, you know what, since I let the other job go, I turned my 2 weeks notice, I've been working every day non-stop, all day, in and out the house, all day, going home, having lunch, in between jobs, and then, excuse me, going back to work. I worked 2 weeks straight, and it has been 2 weeks since I, let the job go. I've been working 2 weeks straight. When I leave that job out there, I come straight out here and work until the next morning. I've been doing overnights. I did a full weekend, like a live-in. That's why I haven't been on here. I would throw out, this video, that video, throw out that video. And I see that, the type of videos I've been throwing out, you guys have not been commenting because you probably like, what kind of video is this? What you been doing? I be at work. Or I be half asleep. Or I be in and out doing a video. Short videos. You'll see me in my beauty room, which I changed around because I finally got the money up to get ready to move, but nobody has to know I got money. But yeah, so when I'm ready to start looking, when I know I'm secure of what I'm doing, then I could take you guys along with me to look at apartments and maybe help me decorate. Give me some, some tips. Probably got some tips for me. I might need to go to Office Depot too. Give me some more ink for my printer. And I can't wait to set up my computer because I brought me a monitor, and then I brought I brought my pieces little by little. I got the HP monitor. It's a 27-inch. It's in the living room behind all them boxes so it won't get messed up. And I got to face towards the wall. And then I got the keyboard and the mouse, which the mouse is wireless. And I got to get the other part to it. So I'm doing little stuff by little. But I'm done ordering for a while. Because once I move, y'all know I like to work 2 jobs, so I like to have that extra money, something to fall back on in case, you know. Because it's like every time something go wrong with the car, here come a bill. And then when the bill come, something wrong with the car. And I only had this car 8 months. I just got to eat, y'all. Yup, I only had this car 8 months. So I need to get on this side of the road. So when it do come up, I can be ready to make that turn. So I'm just coming on here to chit chat with y'all. Let y'all know I'm so upset. My car is messing up, and I only had you 8 months. You shouldn't be messing up. You excuse me. Maybe because I've been doing all that driving back and forth to Florida, back and forth to Indiana, to Buffalo. What's that? Burton Grove, and yeah, Buffalo Grove. Yeah. And that's like 2.5 hours, mostly 3. And it takes me 4 hours to get home. So I got sick of that. I said, you know what? I'm working 2 jobs. I'm finna stick with this job. I'm out here. I'm living out here. So I might as well stay out here in Indiana. I ain't planning on moving back to the city. No time soon. Because it's bad out there. And I'm trying to get my mom from out there. But she don't want to let that house go. So I can't do nothing but just be there for her when, you know, go see her. Make sure she's straight. But, you know, she got my brother and their kids living there, so she's straight. Is this Broadway? I think this Broadway. Yeah, this Broadway. So, this is where I'm going to get the car fixed. Oop, I think it said don't turn on red, but I did. I'm so bad. So bad, girl. Behave yourself. But anyway, I'm finna let you guys go, and I'll be talking to y'all later on my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment down below, and get this video thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys later on my next video. Don't forget to hit that bell, that notification, so every time I do a video, you will be notified and get the video. Okay? Talk to you guys later. Bye. No, I don't want this song. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing today? So, I have not been at work in 2 days. Due to the fact is, my car didn't want to start up. So, something's going on with it. And I'm finna go find out what it is. So, I have to let it sit. Or no for it to start up. So this road is real bumpy, y'all. So So I have to crank it up twice, or enough for me to find out. I mean, to get it going, you know, to get back and forth to work. I'm not burning no air, even though it's like 85 out here in Indiana. So, okay. All right, let's get it going. She's doing good. Come on, Bluebird, now. Come on. Don't do this to me. Hold on, you guys. I'll be right back.